Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio. I am just doing a quick flip through of my digital freebie that I just listed in the Facebook page group. It coordinates really well with my Spring Sings digital. However, it works really well as a standalone as well if you don't have that digital. So the first page is a somewhat neutral collage with just all the different tones of script, which is really nice. It does have the paint splattered, stained, watercolor kind of stained look on it in pinks and yellows because my Spring Sings digital kit has the same, but also in blues and greens as well. So it's super pretty. I really like how it turned out. So that's the first page. And then the second page, I took elements of the Spring Sings kit and I made like little clusters. So these could be cut out into, that one could be cut out into a really beautiful belly band, maybe a large journal card. So a cluster even right here. So I really like how that turned out. And then I actually made some ephemera with it. So we've got 4 tags. This one's a little bit smaller. And basically I've done just what I just described, and I've taken that section and made a tag and so on and so forth. But you could then do the same and make belly bands or even make a little pocket. Lots of different options for you. So yeah, these are 2-inch rounds. This is a 1-inch round. I thought that these would look super cute to back them back to back so that they were double-sided, and you could put it actually as the tab on top of a tag. I think that would probably look really cute. So yeah, I've listed the link to get these for free on the Facebook group, and I will also give you the link to the digital in my Etsy shop if it looks like something you might be interested in as well. And you can find all that information in the description box. Thanks for watching. Bye.